Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do another video on this, and then one of my subscribers comments quite a bit, and I thank you for that. This would look pretty cool if this was the red as maple, and it's going behind these letters, but then on here it looks like it goes on top of the letter. So it's kind of like where this is, the G is all on top. The other way, it would look like the G was underneath the walnut. You can do all this with the Smart Fill tool. So we need to take the Smart Fill and set it on red, and we need to hit that and then nudge it over. We also need to hit that and nudge it over. But we need to leave those spaces and take everything. I hit that one twice, and we hit delete. Hit everything that should be red, red. And I think we're good. Whenever you have the Smart Fill tool, it's going to do that. Now look what happens to our G by doing that. Left click and right click. We have these lines. Those lines are the hairline that we took Smart Fill from. But if you'll just do that with a weld, now this will be perfect. Now the trick, I'm going to nudge this over twice now. The trick is to watch the black. And we need to do all the black with the exception of right in here and this part right here. So we're going to take our nudge factor and or our Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill in that. I'm going to change it to black just so we'll know. Nudge it over, take that. Everything else is going to be black. Except for those two spots right there. So now let's make this red, and we'll nudge this over. And that's what it's going to look like in real wood. This is on top. It looks like it goes behind, then it comes back on top. And if you'll just cut them out like this, and this is the same thing, just weld it, get rid of those inner pieces. So if you make this your walnut and this your maple, it'll look like that. And then the result will be like that, but that'll be behind. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.